Hello friends, welcome to Wood Paneling Wall Art Chronicles, the ultimate destination for wood paneling wall art enthusiasts and die decor aficionados. Are you fascinated by the warmth and character that wood paneling can bring to your living spaces? Do you dream of creating stunning one-of-a-kind wall art pieces that showcase your creativity and love for woodworking? Look no further. Our channel is your creative sanctuary where we explore the world of paneling and guide you through the process of crafting exquisite wall art that transforms your home. Join us on an artistic journey filled with inspiration, woodworking tutorials, and innovative design ideas that will take your decor to the next level. At Wood Paneling Wall Art Chronicles, we believe that wood is not just a building material, it's a canvas waiting to be brought to life. Our team of passionate woodworkers, artists, and design experts will share their expertise, tips, and tricks to help you master the art of wood paneling. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or a complete beginner, our videos cater to all skill levels, making the wood paneling wall art accessible to everyone. Discover the beauty of various wood species, learn about different techniques like wood carving, marquetry, and wood burning, and gain insights into the latest trends in wall art design. We will creations ensuring that you find the perfect style to match your decor. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video.